There was a time, I've got to make my own tea. Everything in this house is half-arsed. No cup, no saucer, not even a teapot. Look at it. Everything is half-arsed. Do I look like I drink out of a mug? I mean, she's trying. She is trying without a shadow. She is trying. Can't argue with that. God, Bennett. Oh, God. That's not even decent tea. That's cheap tea bags. Never mind. We'll persevere.
Guess what? I brought you a present.
It's time to celebrate.
You're gonna love it.
Shall I open it?
Yes, yes.
Oh God, it's a scarf, is it?
There's something else in there, not just the scarf.
I've got a lot of scarves already. Well, it's... Oh my God. Good God.
Don't you love it?
Well, I'll have to get something to go with that. It's a thought, I suppose. Did you keep the receipt, love? No. I'll get something. I'll probably shop where you shop, somewhere I can get something that kind of colour. That, yeah. The scarf's all right. You know, it's not bad. Is it nylon? It's very nice. Thank you. It's very the thought, isn't it? They say that the thought that counts.
This was handmade by the women in Kenya.
Was it? Yeah. Never mind.
I chose all the colors myself.
Good. Well done. Well done. Bag's nice. Bag's very nice. I could use that again. Thank you. Thank you. And for the tea in the mug. Thank you.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Subscription is free. Mahala.